In the rush of everyday life, it's easy to forget that we are not separate. We are waves, rising and falling within one infinite ocean. Each of us is unique, but never truly separate. And at any moment, we can soften. We can relax our wave back into the ocean and re-emerge renewed. So, take a moment now and imagine the life you want to live. See it, speak it, and let it move from your mind into your heart until it becomes a deep feeling of truth. Let that feeling radiate through your body like bliss, and then surrender it, trusting that it already is.